guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and in today's video, I have created this bronzed goddess look for you guys. I have kept this makeup look quite dewy and soft with a lot of bronzer. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos of mine. Don't forget to check out my Instagram where I upload a lot of fun stuff and mini makeup tutorials. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First things first, I always start off with a primer. You guys already know about that, and the primer which I'm gonna be using today is the Master Prime from Maybelline Faces Studio in the variant Blur and Smooth. And then I'm gonna use this primer water from MAC Cosmetics for extra moisturization. Now I will be prepping my eyes, and for that I will be using this cream concealer, and after that I will be setting it with a loose finishing powder. For doing my shadows, I will be using this Morphe Dare to Create palette today. First up, I will be using this as the transition shade. Then I will be using these two shades and I will be applying it at my crease. Now I am going in with a fresh clean blending brush to blend the harsh edges. Then I will be taking this beautiful bronze color and I will apply it on the center of my lid. For adding a little glitter, I will be using this Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I will be using this particular glitter. For my foundation, I'm using this 24 Hours Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. This shade is a little dark for me, which I feel is perfect for the bronzed look we are aiming for. So I'm gonna dot it all over my face and I will be blending it with a damp beauty sponge. For my concealer, I am using my usual one, that is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I will be applying it under my eyes and around my lips. To blend all of this, I will be using the same beauty sponge. To set my under eyes, I will be using the NYX Highlighter and Contour palette and I will be using this banana shade to brighten my under eyes. And to set the rest of my face, I am using this Studio Fix powder from MAC Cosmetics. This one doesn't dry your face and today I am pressing the powder on my face with the help of same damp beauty sponge. It's time to do the brows and I'm using this Wet n Wild Eyebrow Definer. I'm gonna do my brows in the usual way. So first I'm gonna draw the edges and then fill them in. One thing which I'm currently in love with is setting my brows with the NYX Eyebrow Mascara. This one sets my brows and they stay intact for the whole day. I am thinking of doing a wing eyeliner, and for that I'm using the Colossal Bold Liner from Maybelline. For defining my lower lash line, I will be using the same colors which I have used on my lid. And for doing my waterline, I will be using this black kajal from Plum. Now I'm gonna coat my top and bottom lashes with this Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. And I will be also applying false lashes from Henna Beauty. And be right back. Now I will be bronzing my face, and for that I'm using this Ultra Bronze from Makeup Revolution. And now we will create some shadows. I'm also going to bronze my nose for it to look cohesive with the whole look. Moving on to the blush, I'm using this Gold Rush from Benefit Cosmetics. I intentionally chose this particular blush because it's quite light in pigmentation, and also I'm not looking for a pinky blush today. And I'm going to apply the blush on my cheeks, up towards the temples, blending it with my contour. At this point, I'm gonna do a makeup fixer, and for that I'm using this Fix Plus from MAC Cosmetics, and I will be spritzing it all over my face. I usually do my makeup fixers at the end once I'm done with the whole look, but today I'm doing this step now because I really want the highlighter to pop. It's time to add some glow on the face, and for that I'm using this beautiful gold highlighter from MAC Cosmetics. This is their limited edition extra dimension highlighter in the shade Whisper of Guilt, and I will be applying it on my cupid's bow, on my chin, little bit on my forehead, on my cheekbones, on my nose, on my brow bone, and inner corners. For my lipstick, I chose this Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. This is a very beautiful greyish plum color, and it's a dull mauve color. Let's see how it looks on the lips. I'm really liking this color, but I wanted a glossy finish, so I topped it with a liquid lip gloss. So that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you liked it and learned something new from it. And if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave your makeup suggestions in the comments. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.